Good morning, Emma. Good morning, Lara. How are you today? I am happy. Tomorrow is Saturday. Do you have any plan? Let's think carefully. My mom wants to visit the park in the morning. Wow! This is exciting. Can I come with you? Of course. You can bring your bicycle too. Oops. I forgot, my bicycle has a flat tire. Don't worry. We can fix it together this evening. Thank you, Emma. You always help me. We are best friends. That is what friends do. Let's meet near the gate at 9 o'clock. Perfect. I will bring some snacks for us. Yummy. I love your mom's cookies. She will be happy to hear that. She loves baking for us. See you tomorrow, Emma. I can't wait. See you tomorrow, Lara. Sleep well tonight. Lara, look what I got today. A new book. What is it about? It is a story about a brave little fox. My dad bought it for me. That sounds interesting. Can I read it after you? Yes, of course. I will finish it by tonight. I love stories with animals. They always teach something new. This one teaches about courage. The fox helps his friends in the forest. That is a nice lesson. I want to be brave like that too. You are already brave, Lara. Remember when you helped Ben find his lost toy? Oh, that's true. I was scared of the dark room. But I still went inside. See? You are braver than you think. Thank you, Emma. Can we read the book together this weekend? That's a lovely idea. We can sit under the big tree in my garden. Perfect. I will bring some juice for us. Great. I am sure we will enjoy the story a lot. Emma, can you help me with something? Sure. What is it? My little brother Ben is doing his homework. But he keeps making mistakes. Don't worry. We can help him together. He is only 6. Sometimes he mixes up his letters. That is normal for his age. Let's make it fun for him. How can we do that? We can turn his spelling words into a small game. Oh, that's a good idea. Ben loves games. Yes. We can ask him to find the letters and make a word. He will enjoy that more than just writing. Learning is easier when it feels like fun. You always know the best ways to teach. I have an idea. Let's also give him a small prize when he finishes. That will make him so happy. Let's go and start right now. Yes, let's go. Ben will be excited to see us. Emma, did you bring Coco today? Yes. He is waiting outside with your bunny, Snowy. They look so cute playing together. Coco loves running around Snowy. He is very playful. Snowy is a little shy, but she likes Coco too. Look. Coco is trying to jump like Snowy now. Ha ha. That is so funny. He can't jump that high. He keeps trying anyway. He never gives up. That's a good habit. We should also never give up. You're right. Just like when you learn to ride your bicycle. Oh yes. I fell down many times. But I kept trying. And now you can ride it so well. Thank you for remembering that, Emma. Look, Now Snowy and Coco are sitting together quietly. They are best friends too, just like us. Yes. Animals can be best friends too. Layla, it is so hot today. Yes, it is. I want to eat something cold. Let's have ice cream. What is your favorite flavor? I love strawberry ice cream. It is sweet and pink. I like chocolate ice cream the most. Chocolate is nice too. Sometimes I mix both flavors. That sounds delicious. Can we try that today? Yes, let's go to the small shop near the park. Good idea. My mom gave me some money for snacks. Great. I will bring my share too. Should we also buy some for Ben and Lily? Yes. They will be so happy to see us. Ben likes vanilla, and Lily likes mango flavor. You remember everyone's favorite flavor. That's amazing. I just pay attention to small details. That's why you are such a good friend. Let's go now. Before it melts in this heat.